everyone. I've decided to spend the weekend exploring a gorgeous city full of canals, bridges, and some seriously steep hills. But first, priorities food. We spotted an Indian restaurant, and before they even flipped their open sign, we were like, two mango lassis, please. After that perfect meal, we dropped our bags at the hostel and hit the streets. Bristol had that cool mix of old charm and industrial edge. The canals, the boats, the still yacht, all just soaking up the autumn light. Every corner here feels like it has a story. It's calm, but full of life at the same time.
So you're probably going to have to spend 20 pounds for a ferry pass.
And then came the climb. And when I say climb, I mean climb. These Bristol hills are no joke. They make you question your life choices and see if all this was worth it. And look at that, the Clifton Suspension Bridge, an absolute engineering marvel. Fun fact, it's been standing tall since 1864, connecting both sides of the Avon Gorge like something straight out of a postcard. We grabbed some hot chocolate, found a cozy spot by the viewpoint, and just sat there watching the sunset behind the bridge. Golden light, calm breeze, and the kind of peace that makes you forget about everything else. We wanted to check out the observatory, but it was closed for a wedding. And honestly, can you imagine a better place to say I do? Gorgeous view, golden hour, and the city below.
देख लो stupidity कैसी होती है.
Two friends going to actually the
Get ourselves skilled.
yeah, how do I flip this?
For
This is where we are going. Very shady, very scary,
not very demure at all.
not very demure,
And
not very mindful.
of us at all. Very crazy, very. No, it's very. Oh, we're safe.
We're safe, finally.
चल अभी वापस.
Yes, finally.